If you want to hide Steam games or mark your Steam profile games as private, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to control who can see your game details, and I'll also show you how to hide a game from your library if you don't want it visible there either. This is super useful if you want a little more privacy, cleaner library organization, or just want certain games out of sight. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Steam desktop app and log into your account. You'll want to make sure you're using the account that has the privacy settings you want to change. Once you're inside Steam, look at the top right corner of the window and click your profile name. From the menu that appears, click View My Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page. Now that you're on your profile, click Edit Profile. This is where Steam lets you change a lot of account and profile settings. On the left-hand side menu, look for privacy settings and click that option. This is the section where you can control what other people can see, including your game details, profile activity, and more. In the privacy settings area, find the setting called Game Details. This is the key option if you want to hide your games from other people or limit who can see them. Steam usually gives you a few choices here, and the two main ones you need to know are private and friends only. If you select private, nobody will be able to see your games or activity. That means your library details and game activity are hidden from everyone. If you choose friends only, then only the people on your Steam friends list will be able to see your game details. This is a good middle ground if you don't want everything public, but you still want friends to see what you're playing. Once you change the setting, Steam saves it automatically, so you don't need to click a separate save button. Just make sure the setting shows the option you want before leaving the page. At this point, your Steam profile privacy is updated, and your game details will be hidden according to the setting you chose. Now, if your goal is not just to hide your profile activity, but to hide a specific game from appearing in your Steam library, there's another quick method for that too. Go back to your library in Steam, find the game you want to hide, then right-click on it. In the menu that appears, hover over Manage, and then click Hide this game. That will remove the game from your main library view, which is great if you want to keep things organized or keep certain titles out of the way. Just remember, hiding a game from your library is different from changing your privacy settings. Privacy settings control who can see your game details on your profile, while Hide this game simply keeps it from showing in your library list. If you ever want to find a hidden game again, you can usually look in your hidden game section inside Steam library settings, so nothing is permanently lost, and you can always reverse it later if needed. So, to quickly recap, if you want to hide your game activity from other people, go to your profile, open privacy settings, and set game details to private or friends only. If you want to hide a specific game from your library, right-click it, go to Manage, and choose Hide this game. That's really all there is to it. I hope this tutorial made it easy to understand how to hide or mark Steam games as private. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.